How do you use VLOOKUP between two sheets? Many times the VLOOKUP will be used to capture data from one worksheet and pull it into another worksheet. In our practice workbook, let's move to the customer sheet, and you will discover a list of names with job title, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, birthday, and company name. This is typical of what you would see in client or contact lists for a small business. But what if we wanted a quick way to return the birthday of a contact so that we build better relationships more efficiently? With this data and VLOOKUP, we can do that. Let's move to the birthday sheet, and here you will see 3 names from the previous sheet. The easiest way to link 2 sheets is to let Google Sheets fill in some of the formula for you. So in cell B5, type in equals VL, and the function list will automatically go to VLOOKUP. Press the Tab key to accept, then use your mouse to click on cell A5, Derrick Barnes, to select the search key type. Now we need to select our range. Click on the customer sheet, highlight with your mouse cells A6 to I12, type comma, then count the number of columns from name to birthday, or 8, and type in 8 to select the index column, then type comma, false, close parentheses, enter to complete the formula. To learn more about Google Sheets, watch this video next.